Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome all the members to the 46th Annual General Meeting of the company. Considering the current COVID-19 pandemic, this meeting is being held through video conference in accordance with the circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI. The company has taken all feasible efforts under the current circumstances to enable members to participate through video conference and vote at the AGM. For safety reasons, each one of us has joined the meeting from different locations. I hope all of you are safe and are in good health. Before we start the main proceedings of the meeting, I would like to introduce all the board members who are attending on the video conference platform. Mr. Sandeep Singh, Managing Director of the company, attending meeting from registered office of the company. Mr. Dhananjay Kumar Singh, Joint Managing Director of the company, attending the meeting from registered office of the company. Mr. Mrityunjay Kumar Singh, Executive Director of the company, attending the meeting from registered office of the company. Mr. Valmiki Prasad Singh, Executive Director of the company, attending the meeting from his residence at Worli. Mr. Sarvesh Singh, Executive Director of the company, attending the meeting from registered office of the company. Mr. Ranjan Lakshmana Shinoy, Independent Director and Chairman of the Audit Committee and a Stakeholder Relationship Committee of the company, attending the meeting from the registered office of the company. Mr. Arun Kumar Purwar, Independent Director and Chairman of the Nomination and Remuneration Committee of the company, attending the meeting from his residence at Lower Parel. Mr. Sudha Ravi, Independent Director of the company, attending the meeting from registered office of the company. Mrs. Sangeeta Singh, Independent Director of the company, attending the meeting from registered office of the company. Dr. Dheeraj Sharma, Independent Director of the company, attending the meeting from his residence at Rohtak. He is attending now. Mr. Narendra Kumar Aneja, Independent Director of the company, attending the meeting from his residence at Prabhadevi. Mr. Manish Narang, President Legal, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of the company, attending the meeting from registered office of the company. Mr. Rajesh Dubey, CFO of the company and other senior executives joining from their respective locations. Also the representatives from BSR and Company, LLP, statutory auditors, and Mr. Manish Ghia and Associates, secretarial auditors have joined this meeting. Apart from them, we also have other executives of the company joining from their respective locations. I thank all the members of the board, auditors, and other executives for joining this meeting over video conference. We have the requisite quorum present through video conference to conduct the proceedings of this meeting. Participation of the members through video conference is being reckoned for the purpose of quorum as per the circulars issued by MCA and Section 103 of the Companies Act 2013. The quorum being present, I call this meeting to order. I now request Manish Narang, Company Secretary, to provide general instruction to the members regarding participation in this virtual meeting.
Dear shareholders, thank you for joining our 46th AGM today and for taking time to participate in today's AGM. Members may note that this AGM is being held through video conference in accordance with the Companies Act 2013 and circulars issued by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and SEBI. Facility for joining this meeting through video conference or other audio-visual means is made available for the members on a first come, first served basis. The company has received a letter from one corporate shareholder appointing representatives under Section 113 of the Companies Act 2013 in respect of 225,000 equity shares representing 0.02% of the paid-up equity share capital of the company. As the AGM is being held through video conference, the facility for appointment of proxies by the member is not applicable, and hence the proxy register for inspection is not available. The register of directors and key manager person and their shareholding, the register of contracts or arrangements in which directors are interested have made available electronically for inspection by the members during the AGM. Members seeking to inspect such documents can send their request to investors@elkem.com. The company had provided the facility to cast the votes electronically on all resolutions set forth in the notice. Members who have not yet cast their votes electronically and who are participating in this meeting will have an opportunity to cast their votes during the meeting through the e-voting system provided by the CDSL. Members can click on Vote tab on the video conferencing screen to avail these features. Members are requested to refer to the instructions provided in the notice for a seamless participation through video conference. In case member face any difficulty, they may reach out on the helpline provided in the notice. CS Manish L. Ghia, partner, Messrs. Manish Ghia and Associate, practicing company secretaries, has been appointed as a scrutinizer for scrutinizing the e-voting process. I now wish to inform you that as per Section 145 of the Companies Act 2013, since the report of the statutory auditors and the sectorial auditors do not contain any qualification, observations and other remarks which may have adverse effect on the functioning of the company, the said reports are not required to be read. The company has received a request from few members to register them as speakers at the meeting. Accordingly, the floor will be open for these members to ask questions or express their views. Once the chairman opens the floor for question and answers, members can also post their views or question in the chat box tab on their video conference screen. Thank you. I now hand it back to our chairman.
Dear shareholders, let me take you to the working of the company and the other related issue connected with the operations of the company. The annual report for the financial year ending 31st March 2020, comprising the board's report, the audited annual financials, the auditor's report, and the management discussion and analysis report have been released last month and circulated to you. Since the start of the calendar year, the world is facing an unprecedented and extraordinary situation with the outbreak of the COVID-19 crisis. Despite the hardships and health risks, millions of essential frontline workers continue to do their jobs to get us on the other side of the pandemic. Elkem is truly thankful to their services. Additionally, pharmaceutical companies globally are working round the clock to find solutions to diagnose, treat, and prevent infections from the virus. From the financial statements, you must have observed that your company has achieved robust broad-based performance in the financial year 2019-20. Our revenues recorded a healthy double-digit growth of 13.4%, with both India and international businesses performing well. Our continued focus towards cost optimization and process improvement was reflected in the improvement in EBITDA margins by 250 basis points over the prior year. Net profit led by a strong revenue growth, enhanced profit margins, and lower effective tax rate due to higher production from plants in tax beneficial zones has also increased on a year-on-year basis. Our impressive results have enabled us to improve most of our key financial ratios. This will further fortify our ability to create sustained stakeholder value. Moving to our India business, we continue to drive a strong performance with a double-digit growth of 12.9%. Your company now features amongst the top 5 pharmaceutical players in the country with market leadership in the acute therapeutic segments and fast expanding presence in the chronic segments. As per industry data, for the 12 months ending March 2020, we registered a growth of 16.9% compared to India's pharma market growth of 10.8%. Performance was across the board, with your company growing faster than the therapy growth rate in almost all the therapies that it is present in. Our strong brands, large field force, vast distribution network, and our experienced people have been pivotal to our success. Talking about our international business, our US business delivered a healthy performance with 15.9% growth. This was driven by contribution from new product launches and market share gains from existing products. During the year, the company had invested rupees 473 crores, which is 5.7% of our revenue in R&D. It filed 18 new products in the US and received 22 approvals during the financial year. We now have more than 140 ANDAs already filed with the US FDA, of which more than 50% are yet to be approved and commercialized. Australia, Chile, Philippines, Kazakhstan, Middle East, and African markets also delivered healthy growth during the year. In the first 3 months of the current year, we operated in the backdrop of the COVID-19 pandemic challenges, which impacted to an extent to working of the company. Your company achieved under the difficult circumstances caused by the COVID-19 environment a turnover on consolidated basis of rupees 2,004 crores as against rupees 1,850 crores achieved last year. The profit after tax in the first 3 months on consolidated basis was rupees 422 crore as against rupees 186 crores achieved last year. In the remaining 9 months of the year, the company will endeavor to achieve satisfying results. Being a part of essential industry, the manufacturing plants of the company are operating at optimum levels, and your company has been taking all steps and precautions to ensure the safety of our employees and the environment in the compliance with the laws and the directions of the authorities. In line with the dividend distribution policy adopted by your directors, the board of directors have recommended a final dividend of rupees 3 per equity share of rupees 2 each for financial year ended March 2020. The directors also paid an interim dividend of rupees 22 per share in February 2020. If approved by the members, the total dividend for the year 2020 will work out to rupees 25 per equity share of rupees 2 each. Your company accords the highest focus towards ensuring regulatory compliance. Continual investments are made in process automation and digitization, training our people, and the strengthening controls to ensure adherence to regulatory requirements. Our manufacturing sites are regularly inspected by the US FDA and other regulatory agencies for compliance checks. I am pleased to share that we successfully closed almost all the audits that were conducted during the year, including clearing inspections by the US FDA, making financial year 2019-20 a satisfactory year for compliance. Cost optimization and operational efficiency is important for every business. More so when your company is serving the cost-conscious generic pharmaceutical market. Alkem is continuously focusing on improving its processes for driving national operational excellence and cost competitiveness. Several new initiatives have been taken, the complete effect of which will be visible in the coming years. We remain committed to investing in the development of our people as they are central to our success. Several skill training programs were rolled out to foster high-performing teams. Your company firmly believes in giving back to our communities. Structured social interventions were carried out in health, education, and rural infrastructure. The coronavirus crisis in many ways has brought people, organizations, and nations closer as we fight a common battle. The company contributed towards PM's care funds and Chief Minister's relief funds. The company had provided equipment to set up virology lab in Daman and Sikkim. Additionally, your company contributed towards relief efforts by providing protective equipment and food essentials to healthcare workers and local community. We remain committed to serving our great country and our people during this crisis. Before I close, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to all Alchemites who have been ensuring that we maintain our leadership position in a competitive landscape. I would also like to warmly thank our customers, partners, the medical fraternity, government agencies, and shareholders for their support throughout the year. Finally, my sincere appreciation to my fellow board members and also to the senior management for their leadership and guidance. We look forward to continuing working together and driving greater momentum to build a stronger company. I shall be failing in my duty if I do not remember and express my deep sense of gratitude on behalf of the board and on my deep personal level to late Sri Samprada Singh, Chairman Emeritus of the company, for his extraordinary contribution and whose tireless efforts and strategic directions built the company on a strong footing with a growing presence in the international markets, thereby making it a global pharma player and also a very robust growth trajectory in the domestic market. His vision will continue to guide and inspire us to lead your company to greater heights. Thank you. As the notice is already circulated to all members, I take the notice convening the meeting as read. Before we proceed, I am pleased to bring to your notice that as required under Companies Act 2013, the company had provided you all facility to cast your vote electronically on all resolutions set forth in the notice. As has been conveyed by the company secretary, members who have not cast their vote electronically and who are participating in this meeting will have an opportunity to cast their votes through the e-voting system provided by CDSL. Members may please note that there will be no voting by show of hands. We now take up the resolutions as set forth in the notice. We will open the floor for any questions by members after all the resolutions are tabled. 1. To receive, consider, and adopt the audited standalone and consolidated financial statements and company for the financial year ended 31st March 2020 and the reports of the Board of Directors and auditors thereon. To confirm, number 2, to confirm the payment of interim dividend of rupees 22 per equity share of rupees 2 each and to declare final dividend of rupees 3 per equity share of rupees 2 each, aggregating to rupees 25 per share for the financial year ended 31st March 2020. Third, reappointment of Mr. Dhananjay Kumar Singh as a director. Fourth, reappointment of Mr. Balmiki Prasad Singh as a director. 5. Ratification of remuneration to Mr. Suresh D. Shinoy as cost auditor of the company. I would now invite the members to ask any question and provide their comments, which I request may be limited to 3 minutes for each speaker, and not to repeat the questions already raised by the earlier speakers. Members are requested to keep their questions brief and specific. To avoid repetition, the answers to all questions will be provided towards the end. Before we go live with the question answer, here are some points to note for your convenience. Kindly turn on your video when your name has been called out. Unmute yourself and proceed to ask the question. Please mention your name and the location from where you are joining. I now request Mrs. Asha Lata Maheshwari to unmute herself and kindly proceed with the question.
हेलो चेयरमैन साहब, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ मैम, आपकी आवाज आ रही है. You can proceed. Ma'am, you're audible. We can hear you, ma'am.
मेरा नाम आशा लता महेश्वरी, मैं बॉम्बे से बोल रही हूँ. चेयरमैन साहब, जिस तरह से आपने अपनी टीम के साथ इतने डिफिकल्ट व चैलेंजिंग बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट में विशेषकर कोविड महामारी के समय बिल्डिंग मोमेंटम फॉर हेल्दियर टुमारो थीम से ग्रोथ एक्सेलरेट की और शेयर होल्डर वैल्यू एनहांस, यही शक्ति सपने में आप ले आए. अब के लिए कहूंगी, जैसे तारों की चादर अमावस में चमके, जैसे दुनिया का दीपक रात में चमके, वैसे ही आपका यश संसार में और भी चमके. मेरा यही भगवान से प्रार्थना है. इस फैंटास्टिक माइंड ब्लोइंग हिस्ट्री की बैलेंस शीट के लिए मैं श्री मनीष नारायण जी और उनकी टीम को धन्यवाद देती हूँ. बैलेंस शीट ऐसी बनाई है जैसे ऋषि वाल्मीकि जी ने पूरी रामायण लिखी है. और चेयरमैन साहब, हमारे एमडी साहब संदीप जी का फोटो बैलेंस शीट में बहुत अच्छा आया. ऐसा लगता है फोटो देखकर जैसे अमावस की अंधेरी रात में चांद चमक रहा है. फिर मैंने परिणाम भी देखे, एक्सेलेंट कहे जाएंगे. ऑल राउंड इम्प्रूवमेंट इनकी फाइनेंशियल रहा. कंसोलिडेटेड रेवेन्यू 13% बढ़े, पैट ग्रू बाय 32% और पैट इंक्रीज बाय 48%. स्टैंड अलोन रिजल्ट और भी बेटर रहे और डिविडेंड भी बढ़ाकर 25 रुपीज पर शेयर दिया. मैं बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ. कोविड सिचुएशन में भी आपने बढ़ाया, वेरी कमेंडेबल, और मैं बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ. और चेयरमैन साहब, एक्सपोर्ट बिजनेस भी 31% ग्रो हुआ. तो करंट ईयर में क्या की आशा है रेवेन्यू व प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी में, जबकि कॉस्ट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन एंड प्रोसेसेस इंप्रूवमेंट में लगे हैं बाय लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी एंड इनोवेशन व डिजिटाइजेशन से. और चेयरमैन साहब ये बताइए, कोई कोविड की महामारी के समय आपने भी कोई वैक्सीन वगैरह बनाई है क्या? ये जरूर बताइए। और सच पूछे तो हमारी एक से बढ़कर एक ब्रांड है, मोर देन 800, जिसमें से 10 ब्रांड टॉप 2 सेलिंग ब्रांड में आती है और 3-4 ब्रांड में तो हम लीडर हैं। कॉम्पिटिटर को पीछे छोड़ दिया। मैं तो यहाँ तक अपने डायनेमिक व स्मार्ट एमडी संदीप जी के लिए कहूंगी, आपका जन्म तो वसुधा के लिए वरदान बन गया, आपका इस धर्म पर गुणगान हो गया, लीडर बनकर फूंक दी कॉम्पिटिटर्स की लंका, भाई संदीप जी तो कलयुग का हनुमान बन गया। संदीप जी की जय हो। और जैसा कि रेवेन्यू कंट्रीब्यूशन फ्रॉम यूएस से 26.4% है और भारत से 67.2% और रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड से 6.4% आज है। तो करंट ईयर में क्या स्टेप्स ले रहे हैं यूएस में और सेल्स बढ़ाने के लिए, और विच इज मोर प्रॉफिटेबल, डोमेस्टिक बिजनेस या ओवरसीज, और टोटल कैपेक्स का क्या टारगेट है इंक्लूडिंग R&D। और चेयरमैन साहब, जिस तरह आप बिल्डिंग मोमेंटम इन बायोलॉजिक्स इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस फॉर ए हेल्थियर वर्क प्लेस एंड फॉर सस्टेनेबल चेंज में लगे हैं टुगेदर अगेंस्ट कोविड फॉर ए हेल्थियर वर्ल्ड, ताकि लेट चेयरमैन श्री संप्रदा जी का सपना साकार करें, बहुत ही अच्छा सोचने का तरीका है। मैं तो यहाँ तक कहूंगी, आपकी आंखों में महकते हुए ख्वाब हैं, उससे भी सुंदर आपके अंदाज हैं। कुछ चिराग अंधेरियों में जला करते हैं, वैसे ही हिम्मत व हौसले आप रखा करते हैं। हमने तो कोई एक से बढ़कर और एक प्रतिभाशाली हमारे बोर्ड पर डायरेक्टर भी हैं, और शेनॉय जी जिन्होंने मर्क में तो निहाल कर दिया, कहां से कहां पहुंचाया। मैं सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ। और लास्ट में चेयरमैन साहब, मैं सभी एम्प्लॉयज एग्जीक्यूटिव को भी सैल्यूट देती हूँ जो जान हथेली पर रखकर कंपनी की प्रगति में लगे हैं, विशेषकर मेरी प्यारी और क्यूट दिव्या जी जो बहुत सम्मान देती हैं। मैं उन्हें भी अपना बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद देती हूँ और शुभकामनाएं थी हमेशा रहेंगी। और यहाँ तक कहूंगी, फूल मिले किसी को फूलों का हार मिले, फूल मिले किसी को फूलों का हार मिले, मेरी खुदा से दुआ है आप सबको 100 साल की उम्र मिले। और स्ट्रांगली सपोर्ट देते हुए मैं धन्यवाद देती हूँ।
हाँ, Jamshed Sam Patel.
So Mr. Patel is not with us, so we can move ahead with the next speaker.
Yeah. Gautam Tiwari.
सर मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ सर, आपकी आवाज आ रही है।
और फोटो शेयर हो रहा है? ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग।
You clearly. You can start, sir. Yeah.
ओके सर, वेरी वेरी all my dignified and distinguished board of directors, our Alchem laboratory team and fellow shareholders. सर सबसे पहले तो आई वुड रियली लाइक टू विश द बेस्ट ऑफ लक and the best services for our appointment and reappointed directors on the board and all other members. Sir, I would really like to congratulate you for the 1250% dividend, 25 rupees dividend on 2 rupees of face value which you have paid this year. इतनी कोविड महामारी के वक्त में, चैलेंजिंग और ट्राइंग टाइम्स में भी आपने इतना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस देकर शेयर होल्डर्स को निहाल कर दिया। सर, आईपीओ के समय से हम आपके साथ में हैं, हम देख रहे हैं कि आपने जो शेयर होल्डर्स को एप्रिसिएशन दिया है प्राइस के रूप में, शेयर मार्केट में प्राइस के रूप में और डिविडेंड के रूप में, वो अपने आप में एक बेमिसाल है और शेयर होल्डर्स सचमुच में निहाल हो चुके हैं आपके इस रिवॉर्ड से। सर, हम देख रहे हैं कि संपदा सिंह जो हमारे जिनकी विजन थी, जिनका एक अच्छा सा सपना था और वो आपने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से साकार किया और उसी के पथ प्रदर्शन पर आप चल रहे हैं। आई वुड रियली लाइक टू थैंक हमारे चेयरमैन सर वासुदेव नारायण सिंह, जिन्होंने 15 साल से कंपनी की धुरा इतने शक्तिशाली और सामर्थ्यवान तरीके से संभाली है और कंपनी को इतने अच्छे प्रोग्रेसिव पाथ पर लाके रखा है। सिमिलरली सीएफओ राजेश दुबे जी, जो 8 साल से हमारी सेवाएं कर रहे हैं, और इवन एमडी हमारे संदीप सिंह जी, जो अभी 3 साल से हैं, बहुत ही अच्छी सेवाएं प्रदान कर रहे हैं। इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद एंड प्लीज कीप इट अप। हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं और आपका परफॉर्मेंस देखे सारी दुनिया भी बहुत खुश है। सर, हमारे कंपनी सेक्रेटरी मनीष नारंग जी, सर मेरी आवाज आ रही है ना?
हाँ सर, आपकी आवाज आ रही है।
हाँ, ओके। हमारे कंपनी सेक्रेटरी मनीष नारंग जी इतने सॉफ्ट स्पोकन है, इतने हम्बल और इतने मृदुभाषी हैं, इतने प्लेजेंट पर्सनालिटी वाले हैं और इन्वेस्टर सर्विस और हमारी किसी को सॉल्व करने के लिए विद इन नो टाइम सॉल्व करते हैं और इतनी अच्छी केयर करते हैं हम लोगों की कि वो अपने आप में, मुझे तो लगता है कि टॉप 10 कंपनीज में से ये एक ऐसे सेक्रेटरी हैं जिनकी सेवाएं इतनी अद्भुत और इतनी निराली और इतनी शानदार हैं। इसी तरीके से दिव्या जी का जो इन्वेस्टर सर्विस है, जो उन्होंने हमारा ध्यान रखा है स्पेशली इस वर्चुअल मीटिंग को अरेंज करने में और इसको अटेंड करने में हमेशा से, वो भी अपने आप में लाजवाब है। इनकी सभी सेवाओं के लिए हम इन्हें बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं। अब जो बैलेंस शीट बनाई है सर, बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव, ट्रांसपेरेंट, वॉल्यूमिनस है, ग्राफिक है और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से हम तक वेल इन एडवांस पहुंचा दी गई है। इसके लिए भी हम बहुत बहुत उनकी तारीफ करते हैं। सर, आपने जो बताया कि हमारी कंपनी ने बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स और एक्कोलेट्स विन किए हैं, तो वो तो होना ही था। रेवेन्यू हमारा इस साल इतने कॉम्पैक्ट सिचुएशन, इतनी महामारी के समय भी 250% बढ़ा है और हम टॉप 5। आई वुड रियली लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट यू सर कि वी स्टैंड अमंग टॉप 5 फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनीज इन इंडिया एंड प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ इज ऑल्सो सो गुड। सर, हम लोगों ने CSR एक्टिविटीज में अपने प्रोटेक्टिव इक्विपमेंट और फूड पैकेट्स बांटे लोकल्स में और अफेक्टेड उसमें। इसके लिए हमारी सर्विसेज इसके लिए हम लोगों को काफी अच्छा पुण्य मिला है, इसकी भी हम सराहना करते हैं। सर, for my queries which I would like to ask out of my curiosity, एक छोटी सी 2-4 queries हैं, if you can tell us, we will be happy about it. Sir, which are the top brands which have contributed to more than 50% of our sales volume? Sir, what is the percentage of products under price control? सर, व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज? सर, हम लोगों ने कोई वैक्सीन बनाई है क्या? और अगर वैक्सीन बना रहे हैं तो पाइपलाइन में है क्या वैक्सीन? और अगर वैक्सीन बन चुकी है तो उसकी क्या स्टेटस है, वो बताने की कृपा करें। सर, डू यू एक्सपेक्ट एनी सप्लाई कंस्ट्रेंट ड्यू टू COVID-19 सिचुएशन? सर, हाउ आर डॉक्टर्स रिएक्टिंग टू डिजिटल वेज ऑफ वर्किंग एंड डू यू थिंक दैट आवर बिजनेस विल गेट इम्पैक्टेड if the sales representatives do not meet doctors in person? Sir, we would like to know how many shareholders are holding only one share. Sir, another one thing, how much dividend we have transferred to Investor Protection Fund and how many number of shares we have transferred to IPEF? Sir, how much decline the company has seen in its business during the pandemic period? And sir, last way, CMC sir, Chairman sir, now are we paying 100% salary to our employees who are working from home? I am very sure the company is taking excellent care of not only customers but our employees and staff also at home and at workplaces also. Sir, how much do we spend upon our R&D now? Sir, as usual, right from the first meeting, we have been attending all your meetings precisely well and not left a single meeting unattended. Sir, you are very important to us. We feel proud of being with you and I am very sure जो भी आपके साथ में जुड़ा है, जिस किसी भी टेन्योर में जिसके भी मुकाम पे जुड़ा है आपके साथ में, वो बहुत खुश है और आगे भी हमें पूरा विश्वास, भरोसा, कॉन्फिडेंस और फेथ और ट्रस्ट है आप पे सर कि आप इसी तरीके से शेयर होल्डर्स को अच्छा सा रिवॉर्ड्स देते हुए अप्रिसिएशन के साथ साथ डिविडेंड से भी मालामाल करते रहेंगे भविष्य में। एंड एज सच सर, हम आप सभी के भविष्य की और लंबी आयु की और हेल्थ और वेल्थ की और आपके शुभ शुभाशीर्वाद की और आपके शुभ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स की कामना करते हैं और ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि आगे भी आप इसी तरीके से कंपनी को बहुत अच्छी सेवाएं देते रहेंगे एंड वी विल बी देयर ऑलवेज। सर, जब तक हमारी जान में जान है तब तक हम आपके सपोर्ट में हर बात पर रहेंगे। वी हैव वोटेड फॉर ऑल रेजोल्यूशंस फेवरेबली एंड वी assure you sir ki we are very happy with you in all the ways and we'll keep on being with you in your support always and all the time and will always be there wishing you for the blessings from Almighty and from our side always and all the time till we are on the planet Earth and till the sky is there on Earth. Thank you very much sir.
Thank you. Mukesh Chandiramani.
Sir,
Chandiramani.
Mr. Chandiramani is not with us, so we can move ahead with the next speaker.
नहीं है। ओ, कैसे मालूम है? यूसुफ रंगावाला।
Yusuf Rangawala.
Respected chairman, hello, you are hearing my voice? Hello,
Yes, sir. Yes.
respected chairman, good morning, all of the board and the director.
Good morning.
Hello, can you hear my voice?
Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you. Please continue.
Acha, this hello, our share department has print a very excellent balance sheet of 235 pages. Print everything sir in the balance sheet. We are the fifth largest pharmaceutical in we are the fifth largest, and we have the 800 branches in India, in 21 factories, 21 plants. In USA, we have 6 R&D center across India in USA. And sir, I would like to know on COVID-19, any medicine we have met, our companies met any medicine in this COVID-19, sir? And sir, a dividend which you have given the final dividend 3 and February 22, total it makes to 25 rupees on face rupees 2. So this is a 46 year. So I would like to know, sir, after the 4 years, any in your mind to give us bonus, sir? Anything, sir, in your mind? Because this is a 46 year, and next 4 year will be a complete 50 years, sir. And sir, I would like to know, and sir, I am very grateful to our Divya madam who's taken the trouble in this COVID-19 to arrange, and also she's done excellent work and everything. I am very happy with our Divya madam and his team. And also I am also happy, and I also thanks Mr. Krishna madam who is a very kind and to help me in the e-voting, sir. I am very thankful to her madam for helping me. And sir, you are the one of our secretary who is a damn person. Anytime he is helping and he's just smiling, sir. And sir, our dynamic our Sandeep sir, who is one of the proof of our company, sir. And sir, on page 18, 19 and 20, our company has done excellent work to help in poor in this all the plant and water. Sir, see so many plants, so many pictures are seeing in this balance sheet, sir. I am very happy. And sir, our company earned many awards. And sir, I wish our company good luck to winning the many awards, sir. And sir, I would like to know whether our company is manufacturing cough syrup. Sir, we are the manufacturing cough syrup. I would like to know, sir. And sir, on page 22, we are having so many medicine which you have printed. Sir, I would like to know whether we are manufacturing acidity purpose, any medicine for the acidity purpose. And sir, if I would like to know if you are manufacturing any acidity purpose. And sir, sir, we are manufacturing just like a Digene, sir. Sir, we are not manufacturing Digene, sir. This year, Digene, which is a very good running, sir. You think to manufacture Digene, sir, which is a very good product. Digene, just like a Digene, sir. And sir, nothing more to add. It is an excellent balance sheet, and we miss our things, sir. And sir, on page, sir, links. Sir, I would like to thank our link people. They are very good services, sir. They are very happy. Anytime we require the help, They are helping us, sir. Link people. Please keep the link people as our agent, sir. And sir, we are having a, sir, on page 4, we are having a 5th and 21 and 6 R&D and 10 branch and sale of growth. So this show how Alchem is doing, sir. And sir, I would like to know, we are having a many factories. After this COVID-19 is over, if you keep a factory visit, which is on page, after the factory visit, sir, is over, after the COVID-19. And sir, I am very happy to meet our Sandeep Sir Singh, who is a young blood. We are the family business, sir, all the in the family business. This is Sandeep is a very young and dynamic figure. He's helping, which is knowledge, helping our company, sir, to grow up. And I pray Sandeep sir से उनके help से our company will grow into one, sir. Time will come, our company will touch in number 1 position, sir. I'll pray for the God that time by time will come, our company will go up one by one step, and we are with you. And the COVID-19 is nothing more to add. I end my speech. Thank God, pray, and coming years, the next year where we meet, so we will do physical meet, sir. So we have good activity, sir. Thank you, sir, very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Vande Mataram. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bimal Praveen Chandra Panchal.
Mr. Bimal Praveen Chandra Panchal, please.
Yeah, we are trying to connect with him, sir. Just a moment.
नहीं है ना?
I think due to some technical issues, we are unable to connect with him, so we can move ahead with the next speaker.
हाँ, चलो. Beruj Porudhi.
Mr. Beruj, please.
Beruj.
Mr. Virus speaking. I'm very happy for holding the AGM among commerce. For many of the companies are holding the September month. Pfizer, Abbott, they are all in September. But they are so excellent dividend. Abbott is more than 16,000 rupees per equity share. And they have given 250 rupees dividend. And what you call Pfizer has given already 320. And after doing AGM, final dividend has declared at 10. So total 320. And then more than 4,500. And for Sanofi has given 349. And their share price is 8,000.
Mr. Berus? Sir, we are unable to hear you clearly. Ma'am, I think you're both seated next to each other, therefore the voice is echoing. May I request Mr. Berus to start again?
Yeah, I would like to. Purade speaking. That why you are restricting your dividend to 85? Because our dividend payout is very poor. Sir, Chairman, we are very much happy that Samprada Singh started the company, and he was the primary person who devoted and dedicated his life for the development of this company. And we saw his photo in the paper. We are really proud of him. So we attended your what you call analyst meet before the IPO at Trident, and that time it was explained, and we were allotted shares in the IPO. But we would like to know how many medical representatives you are having, and whether they are being paid the full salary. Because medical representatives are not able to visit the hospital, visit the doctor. So how they are performing, and whether you are giving them full salary, that we would like to know. And also, we would like to know how many subsidiaries we are having, and whether under section 136 you will be able to give what you call the subsidiaries audited balance sheet, and whether Mr. Manish Ghia, the secretarial auditor, has pointed out any lacunae in our audit. That also we would like to know, because Manish Ghia is the secretarial auditor in many of the companies, and we would like to know under section 197 how many employees are covered. That we would like to know. Drawing salary more than 1 crore, and whether we are having any related party transaction under section 188, and whether any registers have been maintained, whether secretary or auditor has been pointed out any lacunae in the same. So we are very proud that former State Bank Chairman Mr. Arun Kumar Purwar is a director. So he was a very well-known person in State Bank of India. And after that, Om Prakash Bhatt had come. And after that, Madam Bhattacharya had come. And now also Rajneesh Kumar is there. And Rajneesh Kumar is due for retirement in October. So we are very proud that such a senior person, A.K. Purwar is there. And even Mr. R.L. Sherai is also taking care of the stakeholder committee. So we would like to know how much amount you have contributed for the CSR activities and for the flood in Bihar, because all this Chaudhary and Singh family have come from Bihar only. This Samprada is the original person from Bihar. So whether you have contributed any what you call CSR for the flood relief in Bihar, because you are given to PM Care Fund, and PM Care Fund is diverted for the election in Bihar and not for the welfare of the people. So in the Assam also there was a huge flood. Brahmaputra river is flowing through both the states. So I think you should see that you build a dam and see that in future every year there is no flood. And many animals and human beings have been affected. So you throw certain light on that aspect. So I would like to thank the company and all the and even your CFO Mr. Dubey and our company secretary Mr. Manish Naran and our Madam Divya for making us join this platform, because it is very difficult to join on virtually. So physically it would have been much better. So we have already voted and we are waiting for the three. So I am handing over the mic to Madam Homa.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me? I am the next speaker, Homa Berus Purade. So can you hear me? Can I proceed? Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So just a few questions. So why have our contingent liabilities increased compared to last year? One question. So second question, what are the sitting fees paid to the directors? So third question, what is your dividend policy payout? Because SEBI is asking the companies to spell out the dividend payout policy. So so what raw materials are you importing? So are you importing API from China? I would like to know. So, and how many have our staff employees have been affected by COVID? So, because in Titan company, Mr. Noel Tata openly said that 75 staff of theirs have been affected by COVID and 3 have succumbed to the fatalities. So, you should bring it to the shareholder and public knowledge so that everybody knows how much the staff have contributed to our company.
IDBI Bank.
Yeah. So even IDBI Bank has mentioned how many staff are affected by COVID. So now I want to know. So our company comes under Essential Services Act. So that means were our plants working to full capacity? So COVID or no COVID, lockdown or no lockdown, everybody needs medicines. So do you know what used to happen? The chemists would exhaust their stock. There would be no stock replenishment. no temper would come to give them stocks, and we all would be without medicines. And everybody has the same problem. There would be 2 hours queue, and the chemist would give them only just one strip of medicine. So, how have you been able to distribute your products to the distributors and to the chemists? So, how did you? So, we would like could face this and overcome this challenge. We would be very happy to know. Sandra, do you have some vitamins which are containing all the A to Z products of the vitamins? We would like to know. And so last but not the least, dividend is less. See, I can give you a list of companies who are giving Abbott, Pfizer, Sanofi, 300 rupees per share dividend, 400 rupees per share dividend, Abbott, 250 rupees per share dividend. So you have given less compared to those. We would like to know. And sir, regarding senior citizens also, so you please consider giving certain medicines to them. That also comes under CSR activities. So we wish our company all the best, and so we support all the resolutions. So we have been doing since the very, even before the IPO time, we had taken interest in the company and we had supported it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I will request the shareholders to be short in their questions. You are taking more than 2 to 3 minutes. Please be precise. Shobhana Mehta.
Mrs. Mehta is not with us, sir. We can move ahead with the next.
नहीं हाँ Maskar Hans.
Hello.
हाँ
Yes, ma'am. You're audible, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We can hear you. You can speak, ma'am.
Yes, please proceed, ma'am.
Respected executive chairman BN Singh, joint MD DK Singh, young and energetic MD Sandeep Singh, other honorable directors, and especially all the lady directors. My name is Mrs. C.E. Mascarenhas. First of all, I thank Mr. Manish Narang, our company secretary, and his team, especially Madam Divya, who were always ready to answer our queries and also assisted us in this virtual meeting. I hope next year we have a physical meeting where direct we have the contact. Now, coming to the annual report, our annual report is very transparent, self-explanatory, adhering to all the requirements of the corporate governance, and especially not to miss the page 28 about our corporate journey, which is given in a very nice way. Now, coming to the report, revenue has gone up, EBITDA up, PBT, PAT. Our EPS has also gone up from 63.61 to 94.6, and a wonderful dividend of rupees 25 for the face value of rupees 2 against a dividend of rupees 16 last year is a very good gesture. And especially you gave 22 rupees before in the month of March. That was also very good, and a very good market capitalization, which I am very happy. Now here I congratulate the Alchem team for all the awards and accolades as listed in the balance sheet. Also, I appreciate a lot of work done by our Alchem company under CSR and also COVID crisis. God will definitely bless our company multifold. Now my queries, sir. Number one, we are in anti-infection, cardiac, gastrointestinal, anti-diabetic, respiratory, vitamins and minerals, pain management, so and so and so. In which of these fields we have more market share and contribution in the profit? Sir, do we manufacture vitamin C and vitamin D, which is so much important for this COVID? Could you just enlighten me? Number two, what is the percentage of imports of API from China or elsewhere? What is being done to bring down the import of our raw materials if it is China? Number three, we have 3 Indian subsidiaries. How much is contributed in the profit, which is the best subsidiary in India. Now we have total 18 foreign subsidiaries. What is the contribution of these subsidiaries to our parent company, that is Indian Alchem? Number 4, we have total 16 manufacturing plant located in India, including 2 in US. How many of the staff who are employed were affected by COVID? Any eventualities and any what sort of support was given to such employees, because they are corona warriors like, you know. Also, I would like to know about our R&D center, which we have 6 and 2 are in US. Number 5, how much is spent on R&D in percentage of sales? Number 6, now more and more demand is coming for contract manufacturing. How many of our plants can adhere to the contract manufacturing, especially the COVID medicines and vaccines? Because this, I feel this is a very big business which is waiting for us. Number 7, have we any work done on vaccines? And what is the roadmap for the next year? I don't ask you a very long period, because post-COVID will be a different story. And also the capex for 1 year. Lastly but not the least, I support all the resolutions. I wish all our company all the best. May we grow from strength to strength with a market capitalization doubling from here, double in the next year. Thank you very much for giving me this patient hearing. Now, Mr. Mascarenhas will speak. Please, Mr. Mascarenhas is going to speak.
Hello, is my voice audible? Can I proceed? Can I proceed?
Hello.
Yes, you can proceed. Yes, you can proceed. We can hear you.
Yes, you can proceed, sir.
Respected Chairman, sir, very distinguished members of the board, and my fellow shareholders. Good morning to you all. My name is Aloysius Mascarenhas. At the outset, I thank the management, our company secretary and our team for a good balance sheet which I saw on the video on my computer. It is simple, illustrative, transparent, and adhering to all the parameters required for a good corporate governance. Our results are very good. Our PBT, PAT has gone up, profit has gone up, EP has gone up, and I have given a very good dividend of 25%. Keep it up, sir. In the present scenario, in the present scenario of this academic of COVID, you have given such a good dividend. It's really remarkable. Sir, we are very good in our CRS activity. Lot of donations have been given to the PM fund, to the CM fund, to the NGOs and others. Very good, sir. On CSR, we have got good risk management, and we are doing very good in the pharmaceutical field. Sir, now my questions. What is our future roadmap? Are we in COVID medicines in the line? Because COVID medicine is the need of the hour. So are we into it? And are we into the vitamins C, D and E, which are useful, and multivitamins? Sir, we have good market cap, sir. Any acquisitions in the pipeline and any new launches we are going to have in the coming year? Sir, since most of the questions have been asked by my fellow shareholders, I don't want to repeat. So I want to end my speech here, wishing you personally, all the board members, and more importantly, all the employees, all the very best in the days and years to come. We are in the midst of a festive season, so I wish each one of you a very happy festive season. With this, sir, I take my leave. Thank you for patient hearing. Thank you.
Thank you. Shobhana Mehta. Shobhana Mehta.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you, ma'am. You can proceed.
या हाँ, रिस्पेक्टेड चेयरमैन श्री वासुदेव जी, एमडी श्री संदीप जी और अन्य मेरे जाने माने डायरेक्टर भाइयों, श्रीमती संगीता जी और मेरा नाम शोभना मेहता। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सर, सबसे पहले कहूंगी कि हमारे कंपनी के फाउंडर एंड चेयरमैन रामप्रसाद सिंह की बीच नहीं रहे, जानकर बड़ा दुख हुआ। भगवान उनकी आत्मा को शांति प्रदान करे। और उनकी फोटोग्राफ बैलेंस शीट में बहुत ही अच्छी आई है। ये फोटोग्राफ देखकर ऐसा लगता है कि वो हमारे बीच में ही है। सर, हमारे सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट ने बैलेंस शीट वेरी कलरफुल, इंफॉर्मेटिव और ट्रांसपेरेंट बनाई है। सो मैं हमारी कंपनी सेक्रेटरी श्री मनीष जी और उनकी पूरी टीम को, मिस दिव्या जी को एंड पूरी टीम को धन्यवाद देते हुए कहूंगी कि आपने कलरफुल बैलेंस शीट इतनी अच्छी बनाई है कि फोटो की पूरी कहानी की है। वेल डन, वेरी टफ। इसे देखे कहूंगी एक्सेलेंट और एनकरेजिंग परफॉर्मेंस दिखाया है और उसका श्रेय मैं हमारे यंग, डायनेमिक एंड हैंडसम एमडी श्री संदीप जी और उनकी एंटायर टीम को देते हुए कहूंगी कि ये सब आप लोगों की मेहनत और लगन से काम करने का परिणाम है, जो सालों साल हमें अच्छे रिजल्ट देखने को मिलते हैं। वेरी वेल डन, वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप। सर, स्टैंड अलोन एंड कंसोलिडेट नेट प्रॉफिट जंप मारते हुए 58 एंड 48% हुआ है। सो शॉर्ट में यही कहूंगी कि ऑल राउंड इंप्रूवमेंट दिखाया है। सेल्स प्रॉफिट के साथ बुक वैल्यू पर शेयर, अर्निंग पर शेयर वगैरह सभी पैरामीटर्स अप ही अप नजर आ रहे हैं। और अच्छे रिजल्ट को देखते हुए आपने हमारा डिविडेंड भी इंक्रीज करते हुए टोटल डिविडेंड ऑफ ₹25 पर 2 रुपीज फेस वैल्यू शेयर पर दिया है एज अगेंस्ट 16 रुपीज। सो सर, एक्सेलेंट रिजल्ट एंड डिविडेंड के लिए मैं आपको और आपकी एंटायर टीम को बहुत बहुत हार्दिक बधाई देते हुए धन्यवाद देती हूँ। और सर, लास्टली कहूंगी कि मेरी गुड विशेस हमेशा आपके साथ थी, है और रहेगी। और आज भी मैं आप सबको गुड विशेस देते हुए कहूंगी, डे बाय डे आपकी खुशियां हो जाए डबल, आपकी जिंदगी से दूर रहे हर ट्रबल। भगवान आप सबको रखे बिल्कुल फिट, अब आपकी कंपनी में और आपकी जिंदगी में आने वाले हर दिन हो सुपरहिट। सर, यही शुभकामना के साथ पूछना चाहूंगी कि हमारी कंपनी ने CSR में भी काफी अच्छा काम किया है। CSR में हमारे कंपनी के चेयरमैन श्री RS सेनोग जी है, काफी और सॉफ्ट, काइंड नेचर और सॉफ्ट हार्टेड पर्सन है। सो कहूंगी वेरी वेल डन, वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप। सर, अनस्पेंड अमाउंट ऑफ ₹41.1 मिलियन है। सो उसे अब आप कब और कहां स्पेंड करना चाहोगे? सर, हमारी कंपनी के बायोलॉजिक्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैसिलिटी पुणे में है, उसकी प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी एंड यूटिलाइजेशन कितना है? साथ में इंदौर और मध्य प्रदेश के भी 2 यूनिट है, उसकी भी प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी एंड यूटिलाइजेशन कितना है? सर, पेज नंबर 13 पर बोर्ड प्रोफाइल में सभी डायरेक्टर के फेस पे खुशी नजर आ रही है, लेकिन सेनोई जी कुछ टेंशन में दिख रहे हैं। तो सेनोई जी, क्या बात है? आप कहीं ये तो नहीं सोच रहे हैं कि CSR अमाउंट में कहां और कैसे स्पेंड करूं? आप खुश रहिए, आप जो भी कर रहे हो अच्छा ही करोगे, इतना हमें आप पर और आपकी पूरी मैनेजमेंट टीम पर पूरा फेथ है कि आप जो भी करोगे कंपनी और शेयर होल्डर के हित में ही होगा। सो सर, आप सबकी हंसी और खुशी हमेशा यही बनी रहे। सो कहूंगी, आंखों में खुशी, लबों पे हंसी, गम का कहीं नाम न हो। भगवान आप सबको जहाँ की सारी खुशियां दे, उन खुशियों की कभी शाम न हो। सर, मामले में तो आपने सिप्ला का भी रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक किया है, तो बोनस के बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है? कहूंगी, तेरी किसान है मौला, मेरी अर्जी मान ले मौला, मुझको भी तो लिफ्ट करा दे, एटलीस्ट 1:1 बोनस दिला दे। एक जमाना था सिप्ला ने कॉर्पोरेट रिकॉर्ड तोड़ते हुए एक शेयर के ऊपर 5 बोनस शेयर दिए थे, तो आप क्यों पीछे रह जाए? जब डिविडेंड में रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा है तो बोनस में भी आप जरूर रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक कीजिए। सर, बाकी जो क्वेरीज आ गई है उसे रिपीट ना करते हुए कहूंगी कि आज आपने जो रेजोल्यूशन रखा है वो सभी रेजोल्यूशन में फुल्ली सपोर्ट करते हुए कंपनी के लिए शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। हमारी कंपनी दिन दोगुनी रात चौगुनी तरक्की करती रहे, ताकि आप हमें ईयर बाय ईयर बेटर परफॉर्मेंस के साथ बेटर डिविडेंड और नियर फ्यूचर में बोनस भी दे पाए। और जाते जाते आने वाले सभी त्योहारों की भी शुभकामनाएं देते हुए कहूंगी, फूलों की खुशबू, कलियों की बहार, चांद की चांदनी, अपनों का प्यार, मुबारक आप सबको आने वाले सभी त्योहार। इसी के साथ में धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच। I wish you all the best for the future success.
Thank you. Thank you. Lekha Shah. Lekha Shah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you. Ma'am, are you there? We are unable to connect with her, so I think we'll move ahead with the next speaker.
Khanna, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yeah. Good morning to respected chairman and dear board members. I am Tanil Khanna speaking from Mumbai. Yes, I appreciate secretarial team and Mr. Manish Narang and Divya for reaching out to me and giving me chance to speak with very good results and balance sheet. With respect to stock market price, I have nothing and no reason to complain. The point number 3 would like to mention that the company has no bonus history, so it's the right time to give bonus at least 1:2. Number 4, it's the right time for growth and raise capital through right issue, thereby giving benefit to the shareholder. The last point would like to tell a request for a factory visit once the pandemic is over. Good luck to you and good luck to the company. Thank you.
Mr. Kirti Shah, please.
He is not with us, sir. We can move ahead with the next speaker.
Mr. Ashish Bansal.
You can hear my voice, sir.
Yes, sir, we can hear you, sir. Sir, we can hear you. Please proceed, sir.
Respected Chairman and Board of Directors, first I thank for giving us dividend. Also, I thank for already I giving question you have I ask. Thank you, but I have one question. Director have came in public shareholder in there is any plan to increase your promoter holding coming years? If no, why so? And thank you for allowing me speak to the calling 19. Thank you so much. Hello, you can hear my voice?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, we can hear you, sir.
Hear you, please proceed.
Thank you for giving us dividend. Promoter holding is payment public place. There is any plan to increase your promoter holding coming years? If no, why so? Thank you so much for the prayers by email.
Thank you, sir. Vasudha Takwade.
Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you, ma'am. Please proceed.
Okay. Good morning to all. I want to ask 2 questions only. I don't want to repeat again. What is the impact of COVID-19 on our subsidiaries? Secondly, can you please give a factory visit to all shareholders. As we have not received so many years this. With this, I support all the resolution. Thank you very much.
बोलना है हो गया वो। हाँ रवि नरेडी।
Chairman, Joint MD, PDs, and eminent board of directors of company, employees of company, and fellow shareholder. Sir, first I pay floral homage to respected Sri Samprada Singh Ji Sahib. He started the company, and the company has reached a new height and height every day. Sir, our R&D expenses is 473 crore. That is 5.7% of top line, which is very much low versus few companies in India is doing 10 to 12% of their top line. I am just asking here, can we make R&D as our key or be comfortable with this percentage, sir? You mentioned India import 70% API from China. So what is current situation and how India dealt with it, or Indian companies deal with this situation? Whatever India government announces for 1 lakh crore fund, PLI, production link incentive, are you find these measure beneficial to API industry, and that will change mood from China to India? During the year, company received 22 ANDA approvals. Sir, what is our target? Getting lesser ANDA and produce higher quantity, or more ANDA with lesser quantity of medicine to produce? When we have so much cash balance, why we use short-term borrowing, sir? At what capacity we are running currently? Company received 88 ANDA approval, and you said you launch 10 ANDA every year. If takes it, how long time it takes to launch all? As you said, we have sufficient capacity and no major capex on card. How you better use your cash balances to enhance shareholders' value? Why promoter shareholding reduces some 3.5% in this quarter? And sir, any inorganic growth is on card. Sir, you had given very much fantastic quarter one result. Top line rises 8%, but bottom line rises 128%. In this quarter one, our net profit margin improved to 21%, which will be sustainable in near future. And sir, yesterday I attended the AGM of one respectful company where shareholder asks question, then management gives reply till shareholder remain unmute. When every question asked and reply, next shareholder gives opportunity. Can we make this arrangement next year to our AGM also? And sir, thanks to give me opportunity to speak in company AGM, and thank you very much, sir.
Hiranand Kotwani. Hiranand Kotwani.
Sir, are you aware?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir. Please proceed.
Hello, I am respected our team of all respected person attending this meeting. So is our chairman and his team. I am speaking from Kalyan. Gentlemen, so much question has been asked regarding this our operation. Our operation is good, but when we'll touch 10,000 crore, will you be able to elaborate that this year or next year? Our growth and working is well. Mr. Chairman, what is pain you will face, particularly in this season, this environment? How this will be taken? What is your call on that? Our product in this line and our innovations. Topmost importance is that how we are going to improve this, face this epidemic, and do for that as we are in the pharmacist company, our responsibility is more, particularly in this segment. How you will do, what is the vision in this regard, particularly to reward the minority shareholders? Because company is not rewarded. Our working is good. All others are well good. Nothing to criticize, because I generally criticize, but little room to criticize. I have read so many parameters. How new product will come in particular various segment? Will you elaborate that? Hello, Chairman. Is connection is over? Hello. Hello. Hello, Mr. Chairman. Hello.
So please go ahead.
There's nothing more to it. Already so many questions I don't have time. But certainly, what is the future vision and mission? If management will give online on particularly some statement, how we are working, where pain is there, how we'll come across this pain. Thank you and good luck ahead.
Okay. Yes.
I think we are unable to hear him. Can move ahead with the next.
Yeah, वही तो. Bharat Shah.
મારું નામ મને જોઈન્ટ વિડિયો ચાલુ
हेलो आवाज आ रही
मैम आवाज आ रही है मैम.
है? શું થયું? हेलो आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
Yes sir, we can hear you sir.
माननीय चेयरमैन श्री एमडी श्री संदीप जी, धनंजय कुमार जी और अन्य माननीय डायरेक्टर, सर मेरा नाम भरत शाह। सर पहले तो मैं माननीय रिस्पेक्टेड श्री संप्रदा सिंह जी को हार्टली हृदयपूर्वक श्रद्धांजलि देता हूँ। वे सदा सदा हमारे कायम हमारे दिल में रहेंगे। सर बाकी मेरी कोई क्वेरी नहीं है। इतनी सुंदर अपनी कंपनी चल रही है सर। रेवेन्यू फॉर ऑपरेशन बढ़ा है, प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स, प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स, अर्निंग पर शेयर, डिविडेंड पे आउट, ऐसे सब बातों में एकदम व्यवस्थित बढ़ोतरी है। सर डिविडेंड भी आपने इस पर फाड़ के दिया है सर, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मानता हूँ। इसके लिए सर वासुदेव जी, आप एमडी श्री संदीप जी, धनंजय जी और कंपनी के पूरे बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर और कंपनी के सभी छोटे बड़े का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मानता हूँ। और ईश्वर गॉड को प्रार्थना है कि कंपनी बहुत बहुत आगे बढ़े। सर सीएसआर एक्टिविटी, हेल्थ, एजुकेशन, रूरल डेवलपमेंट बहुत बहुत व्यवस्थित अच्छी तरह कंपनी चला रही है। सर कोविड-19 में आपने पीपीई किट, अपने फेस मास्क, फूड पैकेट, लॉकडाउन में आपने हेल्थ वर्कर, पुलिस स्टाफ और गरीबों को फूड पैकेट दिए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ सर, बहुत अच्छा काम किया है सर, बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद का काम किया है, बहुत गॉड से आशीर्वाद मिलेगा सर। सर मैं हार्ड वर्किंग सदा हंसते हुए कंपनी सेक्रेटरी मनीष नारंगी और उनकी टीम के सर कंपनी सेक्रेटरी मनीष जी नारंगी और उनकी टीम के हार्ड वर्किंग दिव्या जी और उनकी पूरी टीम को सर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। सर हमेशा शेयर होल्डर को रिस्पेक्ट देते, गाइड करते। सर वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग मीटिंग में फर्स्ट टाइम होने जा रही है, उन्होंने सब शेयर होल्डर को व्यवस्थित गाइड किया है, रिस्पेक्ट दिया है। तो मैं मनीष नारंग जी और उनकी पूरी टीम को बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। सर मैं सारे अवार्ड्स के लिए ही बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। सर ये बार फेस टू फेस हम नहीं मिल पाए, तो कोविड-19 कंट्रोल में आने के बाद, परिस्थिति एकदम सुधर जाने के बाद जरूर गेट टू गेट जैसा एक प्रोग्राम रखना, जरूर फेस टू फेस मिलेंगे सर। और नेक्स्ट ईयर परिस्थिति कंट्रोल में आने के बाद जरूर हर टाइम की तरह नेहरू सेंटर हॉल में मीटिंग रखना। सर
मैं इसके साथ लिंक इन टाइम की पूरी टीम को भी बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। हमेशा शेयर होल्डर को गाइड करते हैं सर। बाकी सब रिजोल्यूशन में मेरा पूरा सपोर्ट है। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय श्री कृष्ण। सर स्मिता शाह बोल रही है, एक मिनट।
हेलो हेलो सर, आवाज आ रही है सर? हेलो
Ma'am, we can hear you.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू। माननीय चेयरमैन श्री वासुदेव जी और एमडी श्री संदीप जी, जॉइंट एमडी श्री धनंजय जी और अन्य माननीय डायरेक्टर्स, सर मेरा नाम स्मिता शाह। सर पहले तो आज आपको मैं अभिनंदन देती हूँ। और सर आज 5 साल के कंपेयर में रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन, एबिटा और सभी तरह से देखे तो चौगुनी तरक्की के साथ आपकी कंपनी को आपने बहुत ही आगे बढ़ाने जा रहे हो। सर अभी 4 साल के बाद आप 50 इयर्स माना गोल्डन जुबली में आप एंटर होने जाओगे। बहुत अच्छी बात है सर। सो डिविडेंड 5 साल के कंपेयर में, वो भी खास पिछले 3 साल के कंपेयर में आपने बढ़ाकर इंटरिम और फाइनल डिविडेंड पे आउट ₹26.5 दिया। शेयर प्राइस भी कहां तक पहुंचा गई। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और बहुत बहुत बधाई सर। सर इसके लिए अगर मैं यश दूं तो पहले मैं हमारे कंपनी के फाउंडर लेट श्री संप्रदा जी को मैं इसका यश देती हूं, और बाद में सर आप को फाउंडर हो तो आपकी अभी लीडरशिप में पूरी सभी एम्प्लॉइज और सभी वर्कर्स की हार्ड वर्कर और मेरे साथ आज कंपनी ने काफी आज प्रगति के साथ आगे बढ़ रही है। सर आपने काफी सारी CSR एक्टिविटीज जो बहुत की है सर, वो हमने पेज नंबर 20 और 21 पे देखा। तो सर मैं जरूर कहूंगी कि आपने बहुत अच्छा एक समाज सेवा का काम किया है, हालांकि परिस्थितियों में जो बहुत ही जरूरी था। तो सर आज आपको सभी की दुआ मिली है, इसलिए देखिए जो काम दवा नहीं करती वो काम दुआ करती है। तो आज की कठिन परिस्थिति में भी शेयर प्राइस बहुत ही अच्छी है और डिविडेंड भी आपने बढ़िया दिया है। साथ में सर इंटरनेशनल मार्केट रेवेन्यू 5 साल से में 2.5 गुना बढ़ा। सर बस इसी तरह हर चीज में टॉपअप में कंपनी जा रहे हो, बहुत खुशी की बात है। और सर इसके लिए तो मैं देखूंगी, मैं जरूर कहूंगी कि बैलेंस शीट में आपकी और पूरी बोर्ड ऑफ टीम की बहुत ही एक खुशी की झलक के साथ स्माइलिश फोटो है। जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ने की जो है वो उसका नजरिया हमें दिखाई दे रहा है। पूरी बोर्ड ऑफ टीम खुशी से भरपूर गुड स्माइलिंग के साथ नजर आ रही है। सर संदीप जी, सिर्फ आपको मैं तो जरूर कहूंगी कि थोड़ी खुशी आप और थोड़ा स्माइल जरा दीजिए। आप तो कंपनी के मेन सुपर हीरो स्टार हो, तो आपकी तो मेहनत ज्यादा है, तो संदीप जी आप जरूर थोड़ा और स्माइलिश बढ़ाइए। जहाँ हंसता हुआ हसीन चेहरा है वहाँ पूरी तरह से बसता हुआ नजारा है। तो मेरी आपको फ्यूचर्स की ढेरों ढेरों आत्मीय भाव से शुभकामना मैं देती हूँ। सर सिर्फ मेरी 2 क्वेरी है। सर मांडवा जो गुजरात में कहाँ का प्लेस है वो ये बताइए। दूसरी सर, आपने जो रूरल एरिया में मोबाइल हेल्थ वैन जो शुरू की है तो उसकी कितनी संख्या में शुरू की है, जरा थोड़ा सा हाईलाइट्स कीजिए सर। बाकी तो सर ये वर्चुअल एजीएम में जुड़ने के लिए हमें पूरी सेक्रेटरी टीम, इन टाइम टीम सभी ने हमें बहुत अच्छा से सपोर्ट किया है, तो मैं उन सभी को मैं हार्दिक धन्यवाद देती हूँ। और सर बैलेंस शीट इतनी अच्छी और बढ़िया इंफॉर्मेटिव, फुल कलरफुल, अट्रैक्टिव सभी की फोटो के साथ बहुत ही अच्छी बैलेंस शीट जो बनाई है, सो इसके लिए मैं कंपनी सेक्रेटरी हार्ड वर्कर हमारे ऑलवेज स्माइलिश कंपनी सेक्रेटरी श्री मनीष जी और दिव्या जी जो हमेशा हंसते हुए गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट सर्विस शेयर होल्डर को देते हैं, तो उन सभी को मैं बिल्कुल गहरे दिल से मैं हार्दिक धन्यवाद और फ्यूचर्स की हार्दिक शुभकामना मैं जरूर कहूंगी। और सर आखिर में कहूंगी कि सर आप सभी घर पर रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए और अपनी अपनी केयर करने की कृपा करें। और आने वाले सभी त्योहारों की मैं हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देते हुए सर मैं होप करती हूँ कि नेक्स्ट ईयर हम जरूर फेस टू फेस आपसे मिल सके, और सभी रिजोल्यूशन में मैं फुल सपोर्ट करती हूँ और धन्यवाद। सर मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है सर, नेक्स्ट ईयर अभी अपना संप्रदा जी का फोटो भी आप अपने यहाँ पर एजीएम में जरूर रखें, क्योंकि वो हमारे मेन हमारे फाउंडर थे, तो उन्हें हम कभी नहीं भूल पाते हैं, तो आप उनका मेरी रिक्वेस्ट जरूर ध्यान में रखिए। थैंक यू सर, धन्यवाद।
Vinod Agarwal.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear you, sir.
You can hear me? Yes.
Yes, sir. Please proceed, sir.
Respected Chairman, respected Chairman Vasudev ji, young and dynamic MD Sandeep Singh ji, other directors and my fellow shareholders. My name is Vinod Agarwal from Mumbai. I congratulate the management for coming out with an excellent financial performance for Q1 FY21, during which US sales have grown by about 38% to 6,664 million, which is very nice, sir. Our company filed 4 NDAs during the Q1, for which we have received 2 new NDAs in Q1 itself. Our excellent R&D work, expenditure of about 5.96% in Q1, about 118 million, is also 118 crores, is very nice. Having filed 146 ANDAs, the company has received approval for 89 ANDAs from US FDA and also cleared the inspection of 6 facilities by US FDA. Q1 has reported a sharp drop. The query is on the Q1 has reported a sharp drop in other expenses from 4,256 million rupees to 2,666 million. Why is it so, sir? Why the sharp drop in other expenses? Any particular reason? Another question would be on Trump has directed US companies to make direct sales to hospitals and bypassing a lot of middlemen. And as we have a lot of US sales, what impact can we see? Can we have a significant impact on our sales in the USA? Sir, apart from formulations, our company manufactures lots of APIs. Now the government has come out with Atmanirbharta in APIs and giving a thrust to the API manufacturing in India. How much of a help can we expect from government and in this sales of our company's APIs? Our company has 21 plants, 6 R&D centers. Of the 21 plants, as mentioned earlier, only 6 have been approved by US FDA. Now, what is the plan for the other 15 plants for getting US FDA approvals? At what capacities are our plants running? Of the 21 plants, how many are running at full capacity? How many are working at 40%, 50% capacity? You can let us know. Sir, our revenues for the year end were 83,444 crores. I wish the company will cross the revenue of 10,000 million in this FY 2021. I compliment the management for the new milestones of new launches in the year FY20. One was the launch of Evogliptin for diabetes in May 2019, inaugurating the new enzyme bioscience plant at Pune in November for monoclonal antibodies in November 2019. New facility was inaugurated for export in Indore, SEZ. It's a standalone observation in the balance sheet. So the current borrowing has jumped up mainly due to forex borrowing of 9,707 million for packing in forex currency. That is at a lower interest rate of 2.5% to about 3.5%. Now, foreign currency borrowings may be lower in interest, but they carry the risk of forex currency fluctuation. Any light on this, sir? Sir, our PAT is more than the standalone PAT is more than the consolidated PAT, which means that the consolidated level, there are some subsidiaries which are bleeding our company. You take a look into them and make our consolidated PAT in future more than the standalone PAT. Lastly, I compliment our company secretary Manish Narayan, Divya and her team for enabling me attend first audiovisual meeting of the company. They deserve kudos for coming out with such a colorful and elaborative annual report in COVID times, COVID lockdown times when interface meetings do not take place. They have depicted the history of the company so nicely on page 28, from this establishment of the company in 1973 till about 2019. It's a very nice story they've given on page 28. They've also given the financial story of the company on page 14 and 15 by graphs, which is very nice and make the understand the company so well. Sir, we have an injectable facility also in our company. Have we received any plans for contract manufacturing of COVID-19 injection as and when they are in the market or are launched? I wish the company well for the future. I wish the directors and the staff of Alchem good health and stay safe for the future in the pandemic times. Thank you, sir. My name is Vinod Agarwal from Mumbai.
Thank you. Mahesh Makhija.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Thank you. This is Mahesh Makhija speaking from Mumbai. Our company came out with an IPO around 2015 and 2015, I think December. And the last 5 years, we have been seeing the performance. This is the 5th year after the IPO, the 2019-20 performance. It's really excellent and the best performance which we have seen up till now. Meaning the turnover crossing 8,000, profit crossing, PAT crossing 1,000 crores. In spite of our Indian economy not doing well in the last fiscal year. And also, after this, when the new calendar year started with the unprecedented pandemic, our company has shown an excellent performance in the first quarter of the 21. In spite of the lockdown disruption, a very good performance. And the market cap has reached to near about 35,000 crores. That's an excellent performance. Now, we have done a lot of, last 5 years, I've been observing the company. We have done a lot of capex in improving the existing plant, making all the plant FDA approved. We've done a lot of hard work in the last 5 years. Now, coming to my queries one by one, looking at the past performance, last 5 years, now the next milestone which I would like to hear from you, from the chairman, the statement next 3-4 years vision, by when we can reach 10,000 crores turnover, then 12,500 crores turnover, then 15,000 crore turnover, and similarly the profit after tax being 1,500 crores, 2,000 crores, 2,500 crores. I think these are all achievable targets. Looking at the growing pharmaceutical business in domestic as well as in exports, where we are well placed in USA and rest of the country. I think these targets are really achievable, and to make a market cap from 35,000 crores to at least 50,000 crores. This can be achieved. I'm not asking for a bonus here. You can go for a stock split. Stock split will be the best idea to increase the liquidity, and I feel we can reach 50,000 crore market cap by the next 3 years if a performance CAGR goes and the PAT goes like we have been doing in the last 5 years. Now, after the capex which we have done, the second question is here, working capital cycle. I think we should be very cautious about a working capital cycle, and also plans to reduce our borrowings. Here we have been very conservative in giving dividend payout of 26%. I think that will help us to reduce our borrowings. And also we should take a sharp, our CFO Rajesh Dubey can take a look on the reducing the working capital cycle. The third point which I want to say, our exports are around 30 to 33%. This includes USA and rest of the world versus the domestic 67. And both the Indian domestic formulation market as well as the export markets are an opportunity for us. In both we are doing good. So what is the management view? Meaning we can increase both, but more is where you would like to increase, in exports or in domestic market. And now coming to the fourth point, like recent what we saw the interface with the China border. So a lot of things are being said, like we should become Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi also had a vision to make India self-reliant, especially in the pharmaceutical business. Because of the COVID, we saw a lot of imports. India imports more than, I think, 70% of our ingredients to make our API here. So now they've announced 1 lakh crore, I think Pradhan Mantri has announced that they will have 3-4 bulk drug parks where the self-reliance by the Indian companies are promoted for making the key raw materials as well as the drug intermediates. So what are our plans in this to meet the self-reliancy in this making our raw materials secured within India for manufacturing API? Are we going to participate in that scheme, having a plant in one of the bulk drug park which has been proposed by the government of India? Like to know on that. It may take time. I think the time is 7 to 8 years it will take. But I think we should start somewhere there. The next point is looking at the pandemic, the COVID-19 pandemic. Our company has, I think, last month announced an antiviral drug known as Alfunza. How is that drug doing compared to our competitor? I think it was started by Glenmark, then Cipla, and then last you have introduced by the name Alfunza. How is that doing? Whether really effective in taking care of the COVID-19 patient, I would like to know. And what will be your contribution in fight, supporting the nation for the pandemic? Like the only hope people are saying there is no medication, all are trial medication like them. This is all the trial medication is going on. The only hope is on the vaccine which is going to come. Now, vaccine I have not heard or name, meaning making vaccine, but looking at our expertise of last so many years and the good R&D centers we are having, what is our company plan in making this vaccine for people who have innovated, like manufacturing or collaborating, giving some help in distribution, or R&D centers can be used, participating, helping them, the vaccine people for trial, human trial. What will the outcome convey? I think if you try in that way, it will be a good service to the nation. It will be part of CSR and also business sustainability also. And I wish the management all the best in the coming years. And I hope our company touches 50,000 crore market cap very soon, either through a stock split, or you can consider giving a bonus, because our equity is compared to the hardly within 30 crores. I think that's the lowest among the top 5 pharma company. So we can always go for a bonus if at all the management thinks about. All the best. Thank you, man.
Thank you. Rajesh Chainani.
He's not with us, sir. We can move ahead to the
Rajesh
next.
Chainani.
Sir, Mr. Rajesh is not with us. We can move ahead.
नहीं है। अच्छा ठीक। सतीश शाह।
हेलो, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ सर, आप
हेलो,
सर वी कैन हियर यू.
हाँ, ओके, यस. सर, कंपनी का परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा रहा. कंपनी ने इंटरिम डिविडेंड 22 रुपीस एंड फाइनल डिविडेंड 3 रुपीस दिया. टोटल डिविडेंड 25 रुपीस दिया. तो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि कंपनी की डिविडेंड पॉलिसी क्या है, और सभी रेजुलेशन में मेरा पूरी सपोर्ट है. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
हेलो.
Yes, sir. Please go on.
आया मेरा और सर, कंपनी ने पीपीई किट, गॉगल्स और मास्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया, और डॉक्टर्स और मेडिकल स्टाफ को भी 100 फूड पैकेट दिया. उसके लिए कंपनी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Satish ji.
Lekha Shah.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
respected Chairman Sir, Board of Directors, and my fellow members. Good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Lekha Shah. I'm very much thankful for Company Secretary Mr. Manish Narangi ji and Divya ji for sending very good investor services and also sending me the annual report with soft copy well in time, which is full of knowledge, facts and figures in place. Due to pandemic COVID-19, we all are facing crisis and how to stay home. This is the first time we are joining the video conference for giving speech. Before 1 week and yesterday also, our Divyaji has phoned and given guidance and proper introduction for attending the meeting through video conference. I am very, very grateful to our company, Divyaji. I would like to congratulate our company for achieving the Great Place to Work certification for financial year 2020-21 and also for being featured among GPTW's top 5 best workplace in the biotechnology and pharmaceutical sector in India. I am happy to see that our company is doing well in the field of CSR activities, which include promoting healthcare service through promoting and curative activities, promoting education, promoting rural development initiative and support for the COVID-19. I am very happy know that our company engaged the local committees, addresses their concern and in supporting their collective needs. Our company has contributed towards the Prime Minister Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situation Fund. Keep it with the good needs. Sir, I would like to ask few questions. How is the company preparing itself in the post-COVID world? What are the learning from the lockdown and how is the company implementing this learning? So I wish all the success and I support all the resolution. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. With this, we conclude the question session of our shareholders. Now I request Mr. Sandeep Singh, our Managing Director, to address the queries of the shareholders.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So good afternoon, everyone. I will try to answer most of the questions. So thank you, shareholders, for coming for AGM, 46th AGM. So let me start off with the most, obvious query which is coming. What is Alkem doing for coronavirus, for the vaccines rather? I'm happy to say that, one of our subsidiaries called Enzene Biosciences, which all of you perhaps know, is that DBT and BIRAC together have funded 70 companies for finding some vaccines for coronavirus, and Enzene is one of them. But I would also like to caution that it's not time to be very optimistic. There are large companies in this race, and we are just among them. But yes, we are doing our duties, and we have a great team. On the second question of how many brands, the top brands contribute how much to a percentage of domestic sales, our top 10 brands contribute around 40% of our domestic sales. Another concern by some of the shareholders was, because of Corona and because of, let's say, some tension with China, what is the impact on supplies? Here, I would like to say that because of coronavirus, yes, initially there were some constraints in the first few months, let's say April, May, but things are far better. We don't foresee any big supply constraints. Even there are some cases picked up in plant, we take a temporary kind of shut down or suspend operations for a few days or sometimes a few hours, depends on how severe the situation is, and do a sanitization. So I don't foresee any big supply disruptions because of that, and nothing would lead to a large sales loss. Things are pretty much under control. There were some important questions on what medical reps are doing when they can't call on doctors, or let's say they can't visit hospitals. So linked to that, there was a question of digital marketing as well. So Alkem is one of the few companies, and I would like to say one of the first companies which undertook digital marketing. We have launched our own telemedicine product called Connect to Clinic. We have started the pilot, and we think This will help doctors and patients both because you don't have to visit the clinic physically. You can do it from home. And this is as per the telemedicine guidelines. And this will also help, Alkem as well, because this can ultimately lead to digital marketing in a very good manner. Also, there was a question on medical reps. Are we paying them full salary? Yes, we are completely paying them full salary, even if it means they are doing lesser calls. We are a company who has a long history. This is a temporary phenomenon going on. Things will be okay in few months or maybe a year. And the medical reps have stuck with us. They have given us the sweat and blood. There is no reason of thinking of reducing the salaries at all. Coming on what drugs we have launched for coronavirus, there are two molecules, Remdesivir and Favipiravir, which we have launched, both the drugs. As you know, that ultimately there's no vaccine for coronavirus. So a lot of countries have said that these could be used for coronavirus, but keep in mind that there is no silver bullet. There's a question on contingent liabilities, why this has increased. So I would like to say that it has not actually increased. There has been a reduction, and that can be seen in the balance sheet. So in fact, contingent liability has gone down this year, the year which we are discussing. On the question of biotech, what's the status with our Enzene plant, our biotech plant? On the capacity utilization, there was a question on it. So we are yet to commercialize. We'll commercialize 3 products this year, and only then the capacity utilization will go up. Currently, the capacity is obviously very low because commercialization has not happened. Impact of COVID, there was a question. We have seen the impact in Q1, which we have declared. There is a sales decline in India, particularly, especially in the antibiotics segment. And antibiotics is the #1 segment of Alkem. So obviously there has been a negative impact of few percentage. But keep in mind that our trade generic business and international business has done very well. Therefore, overall, there is still some sales growth. There's a question on ANDAs. What is our philosophy? Do we want to go for quantities or high value ANDAs? The answer is that obviously it's a balance between the two. We would want to go for high value ANDAs, but that turns out to be sometimes a risky proposition because if it doesn't go through, you will really come down in those years. So it's a healthy balance we're trying to do. We plan to file 12 to 15 ANDAs every year. A very important question was why has the promoter shareholding gone down by 3 percentage points? I think that it is basically technically that's only a technicality because no promoter or promoter group has actually sold significant shares. The 3% reduction you see is because Shri N.K. Singh, one of in the promoter group, got reclassified as public shareholder. That was the only reason. On R&D spend, one of the question was why are we spending only 5 to 6% of our revenue on R&D? I would like to point out that whatever comparison we are doing, that is with basically companies who have a very large US sales or where international business is more than 50-60% of turnover. Alkem has not reached that stage. We are still a domestically led company. So the right comparison would be to compare R&D spending with US sales because most of the R&D is for US. If you do that, then we spend around 15 to 18% of our revenue on R&D if you compare US. So like to like comparison, I don't think we are spending less at all. In fact, we are doing a lot more than maybe we should be doing because we believe in the future. So R&D, we are not spending less at all. I would like to reiterate that. There was some question on why do we have short-term borrowing? I think that is very negligible. It's just done for working capital and PCFC reasons. And I would like to clarify that as we speak, we are debt-free. We are net cash. We are a company with net cash. There was a question on US impact because of some announcement Mr. Trump has made. There has been some kind of self-reliance fever going on all over the globe, not just in India. And therefore, Mr. Trump, the President of the United States, has made some statements that some drugs should be manufactured in US. Also, he said that sometimes or most places they would like to buy directly and not have this wholesalers or intermediaries in between. We feel that this will not impact us much because this is election year. There will be some talk, but ultimately manufacturing and production will happen in emerging countries for US. It is one of the most open countries. And keep in mind that we have 2 plants in US as well. So even if there is an opportunity for that, I think we are in a great position to do that. A lot of incentives have been given by the Indian government for setting up API plants, and there were some questions around it. We have 3 API plants. If we will be investing a little bit more on API, but not something majorly, because we are very clear. We are basically a formulation company. We are basically sales and marketing, brand building company, and we have put a lot of money on biotech and biosimilars. So we can't keep changing our philosophy and strategy based on, let's say, government incentive. So we'll stick with that. EPI is something we'll do, but we will not be going very aggressive after that. Somebody asked us why only 6 plants are USFDA approved. Why not the balance? I think the answer is very simple. They are approved by USFDA only 6 plants because only those 6 plants are supposed to do business for US. All other plants are dedicated for India. There is no business reason to put that higher, degree of compliance with USFDA and the cost go up. There's no business reason for that. One of the questions was also, why is there a sharp drop in other expenses in Q1? I think because of the lockdown, your marketing expenditure was less because there was no option to do it. There was a lockdown, your traveling expenses were down, and we could not spend on promotions. Yes, thank you. I think with this, I've done my best. Next time, we'll try to answer questions as you ask so we don't miss anything. And one of the suggestions was also by one of the shareholders, so we'll do that. Thank you. It was wonderful. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Manish. And thank you to all the board members and shareholders. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandeep. Members may note that the voting on CDSL platform will continue to be available for the next 30 minutes after the conclusion time of the meeting. Therefore, members who have not cast their vote are requested to do so. The resolutions as set forth in the notice shall be deemed to be passed today, subject to receipt of requisite number of votes. The combined results of voting will be announced by Mr. Manish Naran, our company secretary, latest by 20th August 2020. And the same will be informed to the stock exchanges and disseminated on the website of the company and on the website of CDSL. We are thankful to all our shareholders who have joined us in the meeting by video conferencing. I hereby declare the proceedings as closed and the meeting will be concluded after e-voting time is over, that is 30 minutes from now. Thank you very much and see you next year. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.